Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Travel and signing in so your data stays synced. Create a new trip immediately. Give it a clear name, pick dates, and add primary destinations. This anchors every subsequent tool. Once done, enable location and sync with your Gmail so reservations auto-populate. This saves manual entry and keeps everything in one place. Make sure to save the trip right away. That way your notes, saved places, and flight data are attached and ready for planning. Now you expand the plan by adding transport and lodging, input confirmations, or import them from Gmail, and adjust dates if plans shift. Use Explore and Things to Do to discover activities, add them to specific days, and pin locations to the map so travel times are visible. Once items are added, create day-by-day notes and drag activities to reorder your days. Also set booking reminders and sync across devices so you don't miss cancellations or price changes while you finalize. To finish, review the full itinerary carefully. Confirm travel times, add buffer between activities and transit, and verify booking numbers. Share the trip with companions so everyone has access, and export or print an offline copy in case you lose internet. If things go wrong, first toggle account access and reconnect Gmail so reservations repopulate. Next, clear the app cache or sign out and back in. If that still fails, re-add the reservation manually and save a screenshot as a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.